Requesting a new card from American Express is a straightforward process that can be completed online or over the phone. To start, you will need to log in to your American Express account online or through the mobile app. If you are having trouble accessing your account, you can reset your password or retrieve your username by following the prompts on the login page. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Management section and select the option to request a new card. You will be asked to provide a reason for requesting a new card, such as a lost or stolen card, or a damaged card. Choose the applicable reason and proceed to the next step. You will then be prompted to confirm your mailing address and verify your identity. It is essential to ensure that your address is up to date, as this is where your new card will be sent. If your address has changed, you can update it online or by contacting American Express customer service. After confirming your address and identity, review and submit your request. You will receive a confirmation email or notification that your request has been received and is being processed. Your new card will typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days. If you prefer to request a new card over the phone, you can contact American Express customer service and speak with a representative. They will guide you through the process and assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. It is essential to note that if your card has been lost or stolen, you should report it to American Express immediately to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can also request a replacement card with a new account number for added security. In addition to requesting a new card, you can also take this opportunity to update your account information, such as your email address or phone number. Keeping your account information up to date is crucial for receiving important notifications and alerts from American Express. By following these steps, you can easily request a new card from American Express and receive a replacement card quickly and efficiently. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to American Express immediately.